Designers tend to work with designers, hang out with designers, even go out with just designers. And that's all great because it's people with the same mindset. But the reality is that in the workplace, you're not going to be just with designers. You're going to be with developers, you're going to be with product managers, you're going to have marketing executives, you're going to have sales executives, and all sorts of different people that need to be part of that mix. You need to be able to work with engineers, of course. You need to be able to work with marketeers and product managers. But most importantly, you need to be able to work in teams. My name is Germán León. I'm the Master Coordinator of the Master of User Experience here at BTS. By profession, I'm an interaction designer as well as an entrepreneur. I have a company called Gestoos, which is a platform that allows any vehicle, object, or space to be able to see and understand human behavior. So we're building, let's call it, an artificial intelligence that allows machines to be smart, to be intelligent. The Master of User Experience has fundamentally two pillars. The first one is a hands-on activity where students have 1 year where they can fully understand what the discipline of user experience means and is. They also have the opportunity to have multiple teachers that will be guiding them through what are the different disciplines and roles that you do at the Masters. What is fundamentally different about this Masters compared to other Masters is that the teachers are all practitioners. They're not necessarily professors, although many of them have master's degrees and PhDs. It's not about these academic, let's say, standards typical from other schools. It's about what they experience in real life. So one of the key challenges that many master's students will face is the fact that the world's changing constantly. User experience today is a field that is quite popular. Back in the days when I started in this field, it wasn't even called user experience. Many of it started by interaction designers who essentially started to understand human behavior and how machines and people interact together. Given the fact that mobility has exploded, web is evolving dramatically, and technology has become something that we live with every day, all the time, the Masters giving students the opportunity to think about that future. And this is what makes a big difference. It's a hands-on Masters. It's not a Masters where you're just getting the information. It's about applying those concepts and learnings into actual projects. You might be a journalist, a lawyer, accountant. You might be somebody that is just curious about the field and you feel you want to enter this space. You're welcome here. Why? Because we're going to give you basically that basic knowledge and also in-depth knowledge of what user experience is all about. But also, you have already 50% of what's needed. You come from a different culture or country, you have a different background, and you understand that the world's changed. We're looking for people that have a sort of a worldview and that can fit into a completely new world. It's not about checking some bullets of whether you know a software or you know a specific practice. It's about developing this value mindset that makes you different and unique. And this is what we want to have here. We want to have disruptors. We want to have entrepreneurs. We want to have designers that are curious. And most importantly, designers that are really human, that want to touch people's lives and that want to dare to create new and different things.